Hi, I'm Dan with Campers Inn RV. Today we're going to talk about how to de-winterize your RV. To de-winterize your motorhome's RV batteries, we're going to check the water levels in them. If they're flooded batteries, we're going to take the caps off, check the water levels in them, top them off as needed with distilled water. And we're going to inspect the batteries individually, make sure there's no cracking in them, and check the battery posts and cables for corrosion, and we're going to clean them as needed. It's important to de-winterize your RV battery. We want to make sure the battery is still good, holding a charge, and that when you're getting ready for your first trip that you have a battery that is fully charged so everything's working properly. Also, if there's any cracking in the battery, we want to make sure we take care of that and replace it if needed. Any cracks, you'll have battery acid leaking out, and that we definitely don't want to happen. And we're going to check all the battery terminals for corrosion just to make sure the battery leads are all good and we're getting a proper connection. If we're not getting a good connection, then things are going to be failing. It definitely can be detrimental to your RV if you don't de-winterize it, mostly for the fact if you did not check the battery and you get to where you're going and your battery is dead, then basically the first thing you're going to do in your trip is replace your battery, which you could have done beforehand if we did the preventative maintenance. Also, if you have a bad battery terminal that may have come loose while you were in transit, we could have taken care of that beforehand. The consequences that could happen without de-winterizing your RV battery could be that you have a dead battery when you get to where you're going. Some of your 12-volt appliances might not be working properly. You could have corrosion that you did not catch previously that led to a battery terminal coming off, and in worst case, faulting the charging system. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you clarity on how to de-winterize your RV. At Campers Inn RV, we pride ourselves in being the RVer's trusted resource. We also have a website and blog full of information for you to research and make the most of your RV lifestyle. I encourage you to check it out at this link below. Thank you for watching and choosing Campers Inn RV.